morning. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Ria. I'm a student in London. I'm studying MSc Digital Marketing from Queen Mary University, and I'm trying to show an everyday life of a student in London. Because I'm a supplementing student, it's been quite long. मैं 3 महीने से लंदन में रहती हूँ. अभी मैं थोड़े दिन के लिए इंडिया गई थी वापस. And I have shot my experience of how it is for the second time to come back to London from India, leaving the family behind. And as a student, as an student, it is difficult to live alone. दूसरी कंट्री से नई कंट्री में आते हैं तो डिफिकल्ट होता है living alone. But to be honest, if you are able to have some courage, इतना भी डिफिकल्ट नहीं है. आपके अंदर एक मोटिवेशन है, आप अपना टाइम टेबल सेट कर सकते हैं. तो मैं टाइम टेबल के साथ बहुत बिजी थी, बट यहाँ आके मैंने टाइम टेबल, स्केड्यूल, डिसिप्लिन की अहमियत बहुत जानी है. सो नो, इफ यू नॉट ऑन राइट टाइम, इफ यू डोंट वेक अप अर्ली, you don't see the sun, so chances are you're gonna get depressed, so don't do that. यूजली मैं बाहर व्लॉगिंग नहीं करती हूँ बिकॉज लंदन इज़ अ डेंजरस सिटी. जितने फ़ोन आपके इंडिया में चोरी नहीं होंगे, उससे ज़्यादा लंदन में चोरी होने के काफ़ी ज़्यादा चांसेस हैं. सो आई एम टेकिंग अ रिस्क. आई होप नोबडी स्टील्स इट फ्रॉम मी. एंड दीज आर द फ्यू अट्रैक्शंस मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी के वे में. मेरी यूनिवर्सिटी यहाँ से 10 मिनट्स दूर है, सो मेरे लिए काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट है, बट देन आई नो बहुत स्टूडेंट्स के लिए नहीं होता है.
certain case. Maybe yours will be wrong. But it's not research.
I've started late, but one very good suggestion. When you come here, जो आपका सेट बजट होता है, कई बार आप उसमें फुलफिलमेंट आपका नहीं हो पाता है because a lot of us come from different backgrounds. So we do tend to get attracted towards working very soon. And it is important you can apply for jobs if you are short on money. But if you can manage for a few months, I suggest look for internships, and this has been suggested by my professors. Look for internships and opportunities in your field which is relevant, which is going to add in your CV. Another thing that is very important in UK professional life is LinkedIn profile, your CV and your professionalism. आपको ये सब चीज़ मेंटेन करना होता है. And a lot of students go to different kind of jobs at restaurants and everything, and I get it because हम लोग को हमारे 5 days हमारी क्लासेस होती हैं और हमारे पास सैटरडे संडे ही बचता है. तो सैटरडे संडे में कोई आपका प्रोफेशनल वर्क नहीं होता है एज सच. कोई आपको इंडस्ट्री वर्क नहीं मिलेगा बिकॉज सैटरडे संडे इज़ यूजली ऑफ. आई अंडरस्टैंड इफ़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा नीड है देन प्लीज़ गो डू इट. अदरवाइज wait, give yourself some time. That is my personal suggestion. Apply to jobs and internships, maybe work from home, whatever suits you the best. Do not compromise on your education because जो आप करने आए हैं, जिस चीज़ के आप पैसा लगा रहे हैं, अगर आप वही नहीं करेंगे in order to just earn some pounds, it's not worth it. Whatever you gain from your professors, from your lectures, add that and build that into something that you've always wanted. What I mean is, अगर आपने आज लेक्चर में कुछ पढ़ा है and यहाँ के lectures are very practical, so they have classes designed such way that आपके seminar classes होंगे which is activity based and theory based classes as well, and both of them are very interesting and बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है. तो each day you can make a content on it. You have a lot of things to work on. For example, personally, I am pursuing MSc in digital marketing. Therefore, one of my professors suggested to me a few days ago, and my mom has been telling me for the longest time that maybe start producing your own content. And back in India, I was really not interested because मुझे लगा ऐसे मेरे पास कुछ लाइफ में है नहीं कुछ करने को. But then I realized coming here, I am very privileged to be here and not a lot of people get it. And privileged, not just as a person, but then coming from a country such as India, where patriarchal society is quite dominating, for a woman it is quite exceptional, and therefore I do not take this privilege for granted. That is why I ask you to start somewhere, to start producing your own content. We are living in a digital world जहाँ पे आप जो भी सीख रहे हैं उसको आप एक डिजिटल फॉर्म में यू कैन जनरेट योर ओन इनकम. आई हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड इट, बट आई हैव क्लियरली रियलाइज्ड कि आप जो भी सीख रहे हैं उसको किसी ना किसी फॉर्म में हर दिन यूज़ कीजिए. समथिंग दैट एड्स इट टू योर CV, समथिंग दैट brings you happiness and something that keeps you engaged. और एक और चीज़ जो हम लोग नहीं करते हैं एज ए पोस्ट ग्रेजुएट स्टूडेंट, हम लोग को बहुत ज़्यादा सेल्फ रीडिंग एंड सेल्फ स्टडी रिक्वायर्ड होता है. A lot of people do have a habit of doing that. I cannot read a lot of huge words in text. I always relied on visuals, just such as YouTube videos. But यहाँ पे आके मैं वो बहाना नहीं दे सकती हूँ because there is a lot to read. So instead of being in your room just thinking, okay, you don't have much to do, honestly you've got a lot on your plate. You come back from your lecture, you have to cook, you have to clean, and then you can revise your own academics, you can search up the opportunities, you can go in the job market, you can look for the events happening around. There's so much free stuff going around in London and in university as well. Make connections, join communities, even if it feels very hard for you to get up from your bed at times. Make sure you do it. Make sure you do it for yourself, because there is no one else going to take care of you. And once you set up that mind of productiveness कि हाँ यार आज कुछ नया करना है, आज कुछ नया सीखना है, because हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ सीखने के लिए. You can't just sit around and not know something new. Sit, learn, read, go out. Maybe if you don't want to be in your room, just go out in your university campus, communities, reading areas, and start doing something each day. And I promise you this is so worth. Not a lot of people tell you that, but करो, क्योंकि इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट हो, कल्चर बहुत अलग है, लोग बहुत अलग है. कई बार ना हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हमें लगता है यार हम इससे दोस्ती नहीं बना सकते, क्या इसको फील हो. बट गो आउट, मेक कनेक्शंस एज वेल, बिकॉज दे आर गोइंग टू हेल्प यू इन लॉन्गर रन. डू इट for the sake of your career, sake of the exceptional opportunity you've got, for the sake of your parents, do it for the sake of your own life. Do it because there is no second chance with this. You're not going to be in your 20s anymore. You are not going to be a student anymore, and life races so fast. A year ago I was celebrating birthday with my brother, and now this year he's turning 18. I couldn't be on his birthday, and it feels really heavy in heart. But because you're sacrificing so much, you're sacrificing your family, that love, therefore you got to perform. Life is beautiful. It has its own aesthetics. You just need the perspective and eyes to watch it. Do it.